Just because it's during the day, guys, I'll start on the daily, nah?
Yeah.
As you could see that we have the we have the height, and then we have the low of the daily, and then we have the most important level, which is here where price back down before. So from the daily again, you could see that you can have those touches, 1, 2, 3 touches. I just have to change the color. So you could see you have your perfect 1, 2, 3. And then you have to come to your lower low. Same thing you did on the higher high has to be done on the lower low. So at the end you end up having a structure like this. And to those who see the market to the extent, they could tell you that the reason why price sold or price did whatever it did, it was because we had a what? Head and shoulder set up, to those who know. So from the daily we move to the 4 hour. When we get to the 4 hour, we need to fix our trends, you understand? So I'm in the 4 hour right now. I have a first touch, I have a second touch. So now prices like this. So when prices like this, 1, 2, we don't have the third. So that's where patterns within patterns come. So now we're gonna have to do patterns within patterns. As you could see, you had a 1, 2, 3, and then price dropped. So what do we call these? We call these patterns within patterns. Is everyone clear?
Yebo.
So after the 4 hour, we have to run to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we could see that price did fail to break that level. You understand? So when price failed to break a level, I could say I can take this correction. Because I feel like price will be moving in correctional way. And then price will give us that level. Anyone who didn't understand?
It's Nasdaq or nothing, my king.
Okay, yes, Nasdaq. I'll show you. This was my setup on Nasdaq. It was supposed to go up, but the Zin went up. So let's start. Because it's not like we start on the 4 hour time frame. We don't have
Where do
time
you
to
start?
go.
Which time frame do you start analyzing from?
Here we're gonna start on the what we call on the daily time frame. So no 4 hour time frame. So what will I do is I highlight my highest height, and then again I have to highlight my what? My lowest low. Nearest lowest low, which would be this one. Then again, if we look at this thing, we have this level here. Those are important level, guys, where price made a turn, price made something. Those I call them important level. So now we're in a tricky part where price gives us a what? A double bottom. So from the 4 hour, we better run to the what? To the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this thing is tricky. As you all know, guys, the market, it says impulse what?
Correction.
And then
Impulse.
impulse. We had an impulse here, right? And then
Yeah.
now we are in a what? Correctional phase. So us being in a correctional phase. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. I'll count it as a touch. So in the situation like this, guys, it's going to be tough. Real reason why I'm saying it's going to be tough is if you can look at this thing, it formed a sort of a head and shoulder setup. Can you guys notice it? Like, yeah. You see that it created the mini head and shoulder. But again, you still have an opportunity. How did price go up, guys? Yes, price went how? It went with an impulse or what? It went with an impulse. So what you need to do right now is, I feel like there's no bar pattern in this tool that's gonna teach you a lot. Admin,
Yes, sir.
you always keep me up to date with the what we call with the sessions.
Yes, sir.
So guys, you see from there to there. So this is my belief on Nasdaq. So you can take this one as a risk entry. Even right now, guys, you can execute buys on Nasdaq. I'll be the leader. Background noise, background noise, background noise, background noise.
I was using
Okay.
them now. You say you don't know where they
I
are.
don't know, really.
But King.
Yeah.
I just have a question here. Like you can see as Nasdaq impulsed, right? It impulsed to the top, and when you got the order block, that was the previous high that it broke, nah? And it came back, and as it's sitting on that order block, is I think that's a retest.
Retest to the downside.
Yeah, a retest to the upside. Wasn't it the impulse correction, and it has to impulse to the top?
Yeah, I'll show you. That's what I said. If you can check nicely, nah.
Yes.
I'll take a structure, just a simple structure. Okay, I took this simple structure and I put it aside. Right?
Yes. Yes.
When price went up with an impulse, and then there was a what? Mini correction.
Correction.
So how do you see mini corrections on the lower time frame? You see? And then it bought. So
Yes.
now it came in a different correction. If you can check, it came like this. And then
Yep.
we have how many touches? 3 touches. And then we have it like this. Then now we have to get the what? That thing which shows direction. How am I market breakdown? Are they work?
Sorry.
I'm asking, is my mentorship work?
How is it work? How is it work? Because I've been in with you for a long time now.
At least to see progress, man. We have to drive G wagons.
Yeah, we will most probably. And I saw the stack. I saw the stack you had on the table there.
That's
Saw that stack.
300K. That's 300K.
Hey, I saw that stack. That stack gave me motivation, man.
Hey man, I wanna buy an apartment.
Okay. Apartment, property, investment. Yeah.
Yeah, I already have a car. I don't see the need of changing my car. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Here again, we're gonna be having something like this. Was the explanation clear to everyone? That this thing is just an impulse correction.
Impulse. Yes, it is. It's clear. Thanks.